You want to explain to us what you're doing? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, girly.
Her crop was filled with a fluid.
Oh yeah.
Because something.
Spitting something out.
Yeah. Yeah, I can feel the grass in her crop. Maybe that's plugged up.
Yeah.
She's had it for a couple days now.
She is throwing up.
Gonna separate her.
Oh yeah.
Ew.
Feeling better, girly? Oh yeah, no, that's just great.
What?
The other chickens are
Chickens are
catching up.
picking up her
Well, that's already good and digested from the crop. If I was real brave, I'd catch it in my hand and smell it to see if it's sour.
Why don't you lift her up there? Yeah.
I'm gonna say it smells good.
Why are you feeling that?
I'm squeezing because her throat comes down here.
When you put it right there, it's like,
Looks smaller than when you started.
Oh yeah, I mean it immediately went down. The pressure was. You're weak because you haven't had food. Boy, she's already walking better though.
and she's all plumped up and her neck is short.
Yeah, I wonder if she's still got some. Yeah, she's still got a lot.
Well, you know, it's like after you have a baby and
Well,
you still have it for 3 months or so, or 6 months or whatever.
Are you doing that? What is that? Throw up.
that's kind of like throw up. Yeah.
So is it sauerkraut or?
I don't know.
Ew, what's sauerkraut?
I don't know.
What?
Certainly not sweet crop. Yeah. Oh, that's her stomach. It's huge.
It just gets distended? I mean, I imagine it
Yeah,
would take a little while to get back to regular
Right, but I mean,
shape.
it's still filled with
Okay, well.
fluid.